Hey everybody, Randy here. I'm up at Southern Thunder Harley-Davidson. We're here for the Gumbo Cook-Off. It's going to benefit a little young girl. I will put that down in the description. But so I'm here with Tori.
Hey.
And my competition.
Hi.
We're not even going to talk to her. So yeah, so she decided to be in the competition too. She tasted my gumbo last year and decided to dip her toes in the gumbo cooking competition field. So what made you want to get into gumbo cooking?
I don't know, I just like cooking, and so I just figured, why not?
Okay, so what kind of gumbo did you cook?
It's got shrimp, crab, and chicken and sausage.
Crab, that's a different twist.
It is.
All right, where'd you get your recipe from?
I don't know.
Just asking. I
don't know. This really weird guy.
Some dude.
Yeah, some random
guy.
Some
biker dude in a bar. All right, we're gonna walk around and take a look at everything else. Again, this is for a charity. You want to talk about the charity and Elise and?
I would love to, but unfortunately, I don't have the details as well memorized as Patty does.
Okay, I will go get the deets and I know how to do this.
All right.
Okay, we're here at the Gumbo Cook-Off, and this is Elise's mom. So tell us what we're doing here and what's for it.
We are having a gumbo cook-off today for my daughter Elise. She was born premature at 28 weeks and weighed 2 pounds 6 ounces. She suffered a brain injury called PVL, paraventricular leukomalacia, and it leads to her current condition, cerebral palsy and epilepsy. Today we are here to raise money for Elise. We found a groundbreaking treatment in Mexico called neurocytonics, and it comes with a hefty cost of $55,000. And so we're here to have a tournament and raise money for her.
All right, well, sounds good. So let's talk to the little girl.
All right.
So Dad's here too.
Hey, how's everybody doing?
All right, so let's talk. So here there, little girl.
Let's see what you're doing,
That's
girl.
a happy kid there.
Say hello. Hi, everybody. Hello.
All right, so this is a pretty lengthy procedure too. You guys are going to have to be gone for a while.
Yes, 30 days is the procedure. So it's 30 days straight, 7 days a week. I think it's 1 hour.
1 hour, yep.
Per day. So it's something that we're going to have to be there for a solid month, miss work, travel expenses, all the things. So the neurocytonics is expensive itself, but we're also going to miss work and have to do the traveling as well. So,
and that's not something they have here. You can't go down to
correct.
This is
it's
an effective treatment. It's got good results, but just not approved here yet.
Absolutely.
Correct.
You're absolutely correct.
All right. So hopefully raise some money today and keep it going.
Absolutely.
And,
Thank you guys.
I'll put the link down in the description, and let's raise this kid some money.
Let's
Perfect.
do it, man.
God bless.
You so much.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, I'm here with Brenda. Brenda has entered the gumbo competition this year. So tell us about your gumbo.
It's delicious. It's got andouille sausage, chicken, shrimp, lots of good stuff. The Holy Trinity. It's good and spicy, and everybody's gonna love it.
All right, so can you tell us what the secret is to your gumbo?
Love.
That sounds good. Thanks, Brenda.
You're welcome.
I'm just getting my y'all down, and how's your mom and them?
So how's the gumbo?
It's pretty good. It's a Yankee gumbo, so giving it a try. But it's good. It's kind of like a spicy chicken noodle soup, but it has some really good flavor.
Wait,
spicy.
The chicken noodle soup competition is down the road. I don't know what you're doing.
Come on, I gotta bring my northern to the south.
So where are you from?
Central New York.
Why are you here? Who let you in?
Who let me in? Who let me in?
All right, let's take a look at this. Off the top. That does look like chicken noodle soup.
No, it don't.
Son, I am disappointed.
Don't.
Why are there meatballs in it?
It's not meatballs, it's sausage.
I'm not sure about this.
Come on, I got all the right ingredients. I just have to perfect my roux.
Oh, really?
I told you come over, I'd show you how.
Listen,
We'll talk this later.
we'll talk about this later.
They like the gumbo.
It's very good. This is delicious.
Which one is it?
This is, I don't know what number this one is, but it's good. It's like
But it's not mine.
no.
Why you gotta be like that?
Yours is, well, we all know.
It's got shrimp in it.
This definitely tastes like it came from Louisiana.
Yeah, it did.
It's pretty fire. You guys are gonna have to come try some.
And that is my chili, or my gumbo. That's my gumbo. Pretty good, huh?
That's fire. Straight slaps.
Definitely edible.
That's you made it right there.
The Yankee.
The Yankees.
The Yankee.
That's Melissa's. Here, let me hold your phone while you get a bite of it.
Right.
Come on down and get a bowl.
I don't care what Rainy Rider says about you. This is pretty damn good.
Thank you.
I didn't say it wasn't good. I was saying it's
You
Yankee.
said it's Yankee. That's right. Come on, get you
That's
some
good.
Yankee gumbo.
It's not spicy, but it's got a lot
It's
of
the
flavor.
Yankee gumbo. Country New Yorker over here.
Oh yeah, that's good. A little bit of kick to it.
It's the after kick.
That's pretty good.
I think you got the
What else in yours?
I have got crawfish, shrimp, sausage, tomatoes, okra, onion, and celery. And a bunch of seasoning, secret seasonings.
Good.
So you just tried Rainy Rider's gumbo. How do you like it?
Yes, I like it. It's very flavorful, if that's a word.
It's a word. It's a word now.
I love how soupy it is, and really good. You need to try it.
Warms the heart.
Absolutely.
Hopefully it's not too hot, not too plain.
No, not too spicy. Tastes just right, and I like all the flavors in it. Really.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you. How is it?
Very good. Thank you.
And the judges had a really hard time picking the best gumbo. They enjoyed every bite. I didn't hear anybody say that they didn't like anything. So, you guys want third place? Third place goes to Gumbo Girlies. Team number 1. Come on up. Come get your trophy. And for those of you that are just joining us, this is Miss Kaylee, and this is Miss Elise the Beast Mama. She's the reason why we're here today.
I just want to thank everybody for coming out and supporting us today and all the donations. It means so much to us as a family, and we are just so grateful to have everybody here with us. So thank you again.
And for second place, the crew. Happens to be one of our Southern Thunder's Parks Department. And for first place is going to be team number 4, Barbecue Experiments.
So how's it feel to be a winner?
I'm excited.
That was good.
Thank you.
I knew you were going to win.
I love it. I'm so excited.
Well,
This
congratulations.
Is really fun.
So what's your secret?
I told you love.
Love.
Love me so
we're casually hanging out over here with your first place trophy.
I'm excited about it.
So is this your first competition you've won? Really?
First one I've ever done.
Come on, you're a pro. Come on. So you must make a lot of gumbo.
I do. The gentlemen that I play poker with, I bring them poker. I bring gumbo to poker about every month or two, and they were all excited about it. So
You got lots of practice. Okay, what's some advice you would tell somebody if they want to start getting into some, just want to be a better cook? Not even enter contest, just want to be a better cook.
I go online and look at everybody's recipes and then adjust them the way I want them. I don't go by anybody's rules or anything like that, but I do like to see what they're doing to make everything taste good. I'm good at stews and soups.
Me too. And casseroles. I'm an excellent casserole.
Oh, casseroles too.
All right, thanks for talking to us.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, I'm here with Lena and Brianna. So there's another cook-off coming up next month. You want to tell us about it?
Yes, of course. You don't want to miss this one. If you missed the gumbo, you missed out. But next time we're going to have on February the 8th, we're going to have a chili cook-off for sweet Elise the Beast. Don't want to miss it. Lots of participants.
So there's also going to be prizes?
Yes, we're going to have the community votes. We're going to have a People's Choice Award to go out, and first, second, and third prize.
So, and to enter?
Yes, it's $25 to enter, and you just come up and you sign in.
And then $5 to taste?
Yes.
And to vote?
Yes.
People's Choice?
And it's unlimited testings.
Unlimited testing?
Yeah, tastings. Yes.
Got anything to add to this?
Come visit us. You will not regret it.
How about like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell?
Yes. Like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit that bell.
Thanks, Rose.
Of course, thank you.
All right, Gumbo Championship's over, but I came over here and I found these things. And they are home spiced crackers, and they're friggin' delicious. This is the guy that makes them. He also won second place in the Gumbo cook-off.
How's it going?
So what are those cookies? I mean, what are those crackers?
This is basically just olive oil with a little bit of Cajun seasoning. You toss it around and you bake it for about 5 minutes at 350.
I have both at home.
That's all you gotta do.
So I didn't get to taste yours because yours kind of disappeared, I guess.
So ours is just a basic New Orleans style gumbo, really. You know, chicken, sausage, shrimp. We not really much seasoning. So keeping it simple.
I didn't get to get yours. I feel kind of bad now.
It's all right, man.
I thought I had got the one over here, but I guess I didn't see yours. But next time.
Oh, it was good.
We're gonna go ahead and get out of here, I guess. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll be here next year. You gonna be here next year?
Oh, for sure.
All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.